Welcome guys to an ELT tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to make a fun craft. Throughout the video, you will see some headers. They are important tips that you need to remember when making your own video. Pay attention to them. Tell the audience what you will present in the video. So let's start with our craft. Today, we will learn how to make a bouncy ball. The best part is that it is so easy to make. First, I will introduce the materials. Then, I will mention the procedure while I do it by myself, and finally, I will show you how our bouncy ball looks like. Tell the audience the materials you need to make the experiment or craft. You can display the names on the screen so it is easy to understand for the audience.
The materials that we will need to make a bouncy ball are water, cornstarch, glue, food coloring, and borax powder. This material can be found in the laundry detergent aisle of most bigger stores. You will also need 2 bowls or cups and a stick to stir the mixture.
Use words such as first, then, next, later, after that, or finally.
First, heat some water until it is warm. Then, in 1 cup, put the warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax. Stir for about 10 seconds with a stick to combine the ingredients. Next, in another cup or bowl, put your glue and 3 drops of food coloring. Stir well with the stick.
It is important to show the procedure step by step and explain each in detail.
Later, pour 1 teaspoon of the water mixture into your color glue and add 1½ tablespoon of the cornstarch. Let the ingredients rest in the bowl on their own for about 10 to 15 seconds. After that, give it a good stir and you will see how it starts to clump together. Stir it a bit more until you have 1 big slimy glob. Take the glob out of the bowl and begin rolling it between the palms of your hands to form a ball. It will be sticky at first, so keep a paper towel handy to wipe off your hands occasionally. Once the thickness is gone and you have a nice smooth ball, that's it. You can bounce it away. Take into account that the ball might flatten out after sitting for a while. What you can do is wrap it out with plastic.
Remember to show the final product and say goodbye. Thank you guys for watching this ELT tutorial. I hope it brings you insights into how to make a video presenting the procedure of a craft. Remember that you can go back and forward in case you miss a detail. The headers are there for you to pay attention to important aspects your video might need to have. Do not forget to go and check our ELT tutorial on how to edit a video. There, we will recommend you an easy editing program and we will briefly explain how you can use it in your project. Additionally, you can download our 5 useful tips PDF to create a good quality video. It is available in the ELTpedia webpage. There is one PDF with the steps taught in this video as well. We hope it helps with your project. See you in another opportunity. Bye!